Alright, we're back at it. It's been quite a while. I'm out here with my good friend Jordan Hesse. About to do a little pond fishing today. We got his mule out here. Right out here at his
stay tuned.
Parent-in-laws, or
Come on, man.
What do you call them?
John and Peyton.
House. We got a pond out here stocked with some bass. Gonna fish it for a while and ride around and find some farm ponds, try to fish.
Do a pond hopping.
He's out here showing me their cabin. Going out to Picher, Oklahoma. It's a ghost town now. Hopefully some fish still live there.
I think some big ones live there. I'm gonna hear from Okie Outdoors.
Anyhow,
yesterday morning.
We'll bring you along, and hopefully we got some fish to show today. Been on a couple trips, just been kind of slow. Not enough action to really make a video. We'll see how it goes.
Plenty of content today, I promise you.
A Rocco. I turned back around. Someone forgot the fishing poles. Took them out.
Wait in the truck.
Down here on the main streets up here in Baxter, Kansas. What we got here?
What do you know? You did. We're about to go cruise around Picher.
Donut, you ready? Oh, we can hit that. That's a jump.
My dog. Don't forget my dog back there. We can hit that. That's a jump. We're about to jump my UTV, my $15,000 UTV. Go up this.
Just made it to the first pond out here. Been on quite the ride. About a 20-mile ride over here in this mule. Let's see what's up with this. Never fished this before. Might not even be any fish in here. We don't know yet. We're gonna find out. Alright, we tossed around here for a while. There's either no fish or we're just not catching them. You can decide. So we're gonna head out and find a new pond. Found us a new location. We're just driving around out here in the country, trying to find little holes and ponds. Just killing the day. See if we can't find any perch over here.
Built this up a little bit, maybe.
This is a little ditch out here, a little creek. I've seen a few perch in there. See if we can't catch one. Came back to re-rig. Jordan's already catched them out of here.
That's a nice size one.
Fairly nice, but it's
out of a little ditch.
a little ditch. Wow, that's pretty cool.
And she goes.
Let me see if I can't get one. We don't have any worms or just using artificials. See if I can't. Get one out of here, come on. There's one perch in here and you caught it. Something's messing with it. I need to try to find a cricket.
Yeah.
Alright.
Right now, so what I've been doing is
Alright.
going. So
Got one.
I'm getting a bite about
Got one out of the old ditch.
but
It's a different one. More than one in here.
they're smaller, so they're not able to, at least on the first try.
We'll catch and release.
Trying to grab it twice. See if I can get another one.
That's a monster right there, the old ditch.
That's a bass out the ditch.
it all today.
Now it's about to go chat paddling.
ATVing, fishing. It's a little Saturday out here, enjoying the day. Four-wheelers out here riding. American flag.
Amen, brother. You get demonetized for that.
He's going for it.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Shit.
Get closer.
That could have been
Get
bad.
closer. That guy, look how high it is. One of these kids is gonna wreck. Yeah.
First cast. Oh, he popped off.
Alright, this is our little ditch fishing series. Back to our ditch fishing.
You gotta give me a little area too.
Well, you got all the room, Jordan.
You're on one.
Getting a bite. Oh, there we go. Dang, came up and smacked it. There we go.
Perch.
Nice. Nice. That's cool right there. I mean, this ain't a foot deep.
Yeah, we're having to kind of.
This started Tar Creek right here, probably.
I mean,
Very well could be.
yep.
Dang, I got hooked up, but he got it. There he is. There he is. Awesome. Alright, we're back on the other side of the creek. I'm trying to toss in this frog. What was that, little frog? Maybe we can't. Maybe there's a bass hanging out in here.
Let's see what's up.
Alright, switched over. So we can't catch a bass out of here. I don't even know if there's any bass in here.
Well, if you'd been over here 2 seconds ago, you know there's at least 2.
At least 2 in here.
Let's caught the same one twice, which I guess is like it. Could happen.
Look at this cat.
Oh, you guys both got GoPros now?
It's the middle of fall or middle of summer.
What's buddy?
Damn.
Y'all catching anything out here?
Need a few.
I'm about to cast out.
We got old David hooked up on one.
Hey, that's the biggest one we've caught today.
What do you think of that guy? That little carp?
Yep.
Are you serious?
I don't catch a lot of carp.
Are you being serious?
I don't catch a lot of carp. These are, but it's a beauty. I like
It's
him.
not a carp.
That's a bass, largemouth bass.
It's just a tiny one though.
Are you
small
kidding
one.
me? You don't know what a bass looks like?
Oh, it's
Nah.
contaminated.
No, you do. Pretty high up here now on this chat.
That looks like the remains of a boat.
It is the remains of a boat.
There used to be a lake over here.
Yeah.
Wait.
Lake Picher.
Like chat pile.
An old turkey right there.
But it was big.
What she said. Alright.
I'm about to freaking slay something.
Found another pond off of the road over here. What do you got on, Jordan? Frog?
No, I got a little swim bait on.
I should have brought my freaking tackle box.
Been out here throwing this frog off this moss, in front of this moss. We've had a few bites. Hadn't hooked up with anything quite yet. Seen a couple of fish jump out of there though. Been told there's some nice bass in here. Never fished it ourselves though. Give them one bullet at a time.
You're all over the center circle. Alright.
It's the end of the day out here. Cooking up a little dinner. Finishing up at this pond. It's been a pretty good day out here. Hopefully catch a few more bass and call it a day.
If you gotta feed them about the same time every day or they don't come.
Out here feeding the fish. Wow.
This is the best night we've had.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's like they get to know, you know, they know.
They get on a schedule.
Yep. What is it, about 7?
7:30?
Yeah. Between 7 and 7:30. But if you go any earlier or any later, you don't have very many.
Wow. Neat.
When we first started feeding them and you would fish, you'd catch them. And then they got smart to it. And you can't catch any. I mean, every now and then you'll catch them.
Well, we got back late last night. Didn't have time to do an outtake video. Just wanted to wish everybody a happy Father's Day today. We're on our way to Tulsa. My dad's gonna be visiting my dad here next couple days in Wyoming. So I'll see him then, but coming up here to celebrate with my brother. It's his first Father's Day, so coming up here to spend the afternoon with him. But I just wanted to say thank you to my buddy Jordan and the Westmorelands for having us out yesterday. We had a good time. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Stay along, subscribe. Should have some videos from Wyoming here in the next week or so. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.